Mayambu Krumzari, Adon Virus Impact News, Ne, Rajnong Tongbam, Manu Huna Hariba 360-degree analysis of news and events the Mayambu Taram Okcheri. Thasi ki have the October Tarik, Mapandagi Horga, Hayang October Tarik Taramanga, Pava Chatagadaba, Jayolaman Chubna Chatagadaba, Hogi National Postal Week, Hogi Post Office Havatare, Hogi Chiti Tadoksin Taunariba, Parcel Tadokazin Taunariba, Money order Tadokazin Taunariba, Atopa, banking amadi insurance ke services mayamama koi Manipur natraga koi lebasi ki India ki miyamda service piriba koi post office natraga Indian Post haina khana ribasi ki National Postal Week jayola machumna pangtholi basi ki matang da khana nenu bitang tangasi Impact News ke studio the lengthen video basi joining us tonight on Manung Hudna Postal Services Manipur ki director Vinod Kumarni sir, welcome to the show, appreciate your joining.
Kurumjari.
Thank you. Also joining us Kangla Paugi, chief editor Ojapi Ibo Chobuni, Ojapi, welcome to the show. Appreciate your joining too. Sir, I would like to ask the first question to Vinod sir directly.
Yeah.
We are organizing, I mean, the Indian Post is organizing the National Postal Week.
Definitely.
From October 9 till tomorrow.
Yeah.
So what is the reason behind organizing such weekly events? What are the aims and objectives of such events to achieve in the coming times?
See, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you to this National Postal Week, which India Post is celebrating. And National Postal Week is celebrating starting from 9th of October because on 9th of October, this UPU, Universal Postal Union was formed. And to commemorate that day and to celebrate that day, we started the National Postal Week. And the basic aim behind it is that each and every day of this National Postal Week, like Saving Day, like Mail Day and PLI Day, we used to popularize all schemes basically which are for the benefit of common people. And we try to tell the whole nation that we are providing this kind of services and they should know about it.
Okay, they should know about it. But there is a slight or a very limited knowledge in the people's mind that post offices are only providing the delivery systems of letters and registered letters and parcels. And other than these two things, people don't quietly, know about what are the facilities or what are the schemes being provided by Indian Post in the post offices. So if you kindly, explain today what are the facilities provided to the people so that people can actually benefit out of those facilities. It may be banking facility, it may be, life insurance and other schemes.
Definitely. Say, today is PLI Day and on 9th of October we celebrated especially this Postal Day, Post Day. So on Post Day we organize so many melas in various subdivisions. This Manipur division is comprises of say 8 subdivisions headed by subdivisional heads, which are inspectors of post offices.
Okay.
They are organizing in their respective jurisdiction different kind of mela, different kind of publicity medium they are using to popularize our schemes, and they are conducting meetings. Like on the very first day, we conducted Post Forum meeting. Post Forum is a platform where people from all walks of life, they can come and join us. They can give their suggestions. They can give their, say, if they have any complaint, if they have any good idea, so to improve our services, then they can come and discuss with us. So prominent people from all walks of life, they have joined us, and we have conducted that Post Forum meeting on that day.
Okay.
Next day is like Savings Bank Day. It is 10th of October. And I would like to tell you, in Manipur division, we have more than 3 lakh savings bank account at present moment.
Okay, saving bank accounts.
Yeah.
Okay, in the post offices.
In the post offices. And this number is continuously increasing. And I would like to tell you that so many schemes, social security schemes are attached to it. Like recently launched Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So all eligible people who are having, say, saving bank account in post office, they can avail this facility, this Suraksha Bima Yojana at the rate of ₹1 per month only.
Okay.
And they will get covered.
1 rupee per month.
1 rupee per
Only
month.
1 rupee.
Only 1 rupee per month. It is basically for the service of the people. and they will get cover of rupees 2 lakh per annum.
Per annum.
Per annum. So we are giving more and more publicity to this scheme.
This is a Suraksha Bima Yojana. So
Yeah.
is it a life insurance? When will actually the beneficiary get the
Say
actual amount?
Definitely. Good question. Basically, when a person get injured, say like in accident,
Okay.
if someone died, then he can get the full amount, full assurance scheme like 2 lakh rupees. And if he lost one eye or say one hand
Okay.
or one foot,
In the case of injuries.
in the case of fatal injury, then he will get half of amount, say 1 lakh. But it is open for all saving bank account holders.
All right.
So it is mostly benefited for the poor public, people who are in villages also,
Especially in the rural areas.
especially in the rural area, because we provide basic services in the rural areas. All people are coming to us, especially for the savings banks facility, remittance, and insurance scheme also.
Okay.
And today is insurance day, PLI day. Our insurance services are the oldest in the India. Say, and we are covering each and every life, including defense forces, central government, state government, even universities. All people are coming to us, and they are being provided insurance cover. Even private people, those who are not, say, not in any kind of government service, they can also join us through rural PLI. And I would like to tell you that more than 2,35,000 policies are there.
Okay.
Uh,
More
30
than 2,35,000
policies are there.
Different policies.
Different policies.
Okay.
And as far as say saving banks accounts are concerned, they are more than 3 lakh
Okay, more than 3 lakhs.
Yeah.
Saving bank account in Manipur.
in Manipur.
Are you saying more than 3 lakh people have already open account?
They have opened saving bank account,
Okay.
but to subscribe this Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana,
Okay.
they have to give their consent that I am giving my consent to subscribe to take amount from my saving bank account for this Bima Yojana.
Okay, but
Once
as of,
they will
as of
give-
now, more than 30 lakhs people have already opened saving bank
Saving bank
account
account
in the post offices.
Yeah.
That is a very good number. Matangi ko sajay oza dalak tari oza. Oza na su takpi khare koi tongan ba koi chithi thadok thajin tawba parcel thadok thajin tawba sida natna koi post office na banking gi insurance ki yamna chawba program mayam sinbiri adubo koi kungang da laibasu koi gi shahar gi mafam sinda laiba hayo tare miyam se ayam mana post office ki service se koi चिठी थादोक जन तौबा रजिस्टर लेटर थाबा स्पीड पोस्ट तौबा नत्रगा पार्सल थाबस देगी हेन उदबा दुगा बैंकिंग अंतरगा इंश्योरेंस ददी बैंक द चलगो एना तौबगी नत्रगा तो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की कंपनीज म्याम लरिसे असोंदो न परसु तौबगी पोस्ट ऑफिस ता मियंग इचंग चंग दबी मबी मतारि बसे मसी होंगदोनो गी दमकता कोई अवेयरनेस नत्रगा कैंपेन हेना मथौ ता एना खनबी बरा करी खनबी जा
इम्फाल की हेड ऑफिस खक्तदा कोई अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम पीरीसे सुमाइन तोना पोस्टल वीक अमा इम्फाल की कनो से हेड क्वार्टर पांगथोइबा सुमाइना चिंगी मनु हंजन मफम चिंग तोन तोन बे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंगी मनु हंजन मफम चिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंग जो पांगथोक मथौ ताय अदु एरगदी पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट पीरिबा मियाम दे पीरिबा कानबा मियाम से मधु आतान काचिन कोया योंग फंगने पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट कानबा से अदुकी मतिक लेख्रे पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट पीरिबा कान जो हुजिक तो हाइग्रे हुजिक डायरेक्टर हाइगिदुने सेविंग अकाउंट मैम अमा हांगिबा अमा तौबा कानो अदगी प्रधानमंत्री कनोगी रक्षा योजना की मतंग दगा हांगी मैम दो अदु याम फब वेनेबा अफरिबा वे सिंगे अखोय स्वाइदा खंगबोइन तौ अखोय स्वाइ खक्तर खंगबोइन तौबा अदुना मनु हंजन मफम इंटीरियर मनु हंजन मफम सिंगसिदा जुम मसिगी अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम जे पीबा मथौ ताबा जिला जिलादा कोई करिगुम थबक अमा पांगथोक मतमदा मणिपुरदि एस कंट्रोल की दमते एस की प्रोग्राम पांगथोक मतमदा इम्फाल सोरे दा गात पांगथोकपा हेड क्वार्टर दा गात पांगथोकपा पोस्टल सर्विस पोस्टल की वीक पांगथोक मतमदा हेड क्वार्टर खक्त नतबा मास होइना डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेरिबा जिला जिक्ते लेरिबा मैम से पांगथोकदी पोस्टल ने पीरिबा कानबा करिनो पोस्टल दगी फंगदोब कानबा से करिनो पोस्टल न फंग पीरिबसिना कना कना द पीरिगा हाइबसे प्रजा मैम से चिंग अखोगी अरापद लेरिबा इसिन नाउसिंगदि अमता खंगदे खंगजु खंगदे खंगदबदुनने ngachigi लेरिबा फोन कानबसे फंगमद्रिसे बट मोइना निंगिबा मैम निंगिसे असागी अखोगी केनोना राजन हाइबिदिदो सै चिठी थाबा खंगदो अदु खक्तम उइयो चिठी थाबा पार्सल थाबा पो थाबा अदु मैम तो खक्तो उइयो मदुना मदुगुम्बदु नतबा अतोपा करी थाबा याबगे अतोपा कानबा पीरिसे करिनो हाइबसे मसीदे पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट पीरिबा कानबा मैम अमा लेरियबा मोइना पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट मदु अखोइना खंगनबा होनबा ताबा मधु खंगन बम मतम दने व मतम अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम जे मसी पैकेट प मथोक
Successful
चाय
दिवसे,
मधु पैकेट पिदर कानदी इम्फाल शोर कक ते इम्फाल के हेडक्वार्टर कक ते अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम पांगतो पुनदी मसी की कनो से प्रजा सिंग दे योहन बंगम मोय बा
Okay,
चिंग मनु हजन बा मफम सिंग दे मसे कायम च खंगदना तुम दंग लेरी बा
Okay.
पोस्ट डिपार्टमेंट से
Okay, Imphal area khatata maruina masigi campaign je satharaga miyam da information piven diaroi manu hanjan by interior area sing the district
Yes,
district
yes.
sing the
Oh, yes.
constituency sa laga mahum
Yes,
du da
yes, yes.
campaign se torgadi mapung phani tak peri sir is already saying like if we organize
Yes.
campaign or any kind of awareness camp only in Imphal that will not bring a lot of changes in other parts of the state
interior.
because most of the people are still resided in the interior areas. So
Interior
if we
area.
conduct more awareness program in the interior areas, then the benefits provided by the post offices will be
yes,
harnessed by those people. What do you want to say on that?
Definitely, it is correct to say that if we are doing all this campaigning in rural area also. As I said, we have 8 subdivisions in Manipur division, and each one is controlled by one inspector post offices, and he is having say charge of at least say around 100 post offices in his or her subdivision, and they are also organizing the same kind of awareness program about our services in rural areas. I have myself attended so many say programs in rural area, and we have briefed our services about say it is say financial services or mailing services or even philately and banking facilities. Everything we are say making people aware, and we have put so many flex banners, even distributing brochures, and every kind of publicity
But sir,
medium we are
as far
using.
as awareness campaign is concerned regarding the postal
Services.
facilities in Manipur and elsewhere in India, for example, in the case of Swachh Bharat, there is a huge campaign in each and every village. Everyone is almost, they have the knowledge about Swachh Bharat campaign. Whether they actually do it or not, that is something else. But they are aware about Swachh Bharat campaign. But in the case of Postal Week, there is very less amount of awareness and information and even campaign being seen in the public domain. What do you want to say on that?
No, I am not agree about it. I am disagreed about this.
Okay.
Because if you have seen all local newspapers and like Shanghai Express and various,
Publishing in the newspaper is something else.
no,
But
these are the activities which get space in news. These are not say being advertisement by the department. They are the news items which reporters have come and they have taken care of. Say like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we have started one drive for plantation of tree also. Every day young students are coming to our post office and they are learning about the system, they are understanding the system, because nowadays the generally students don't come, and young generation, they should also know something about post office. On the other side, as you said, there is a myth that our business is going down.
going down.
But it is not like that. In the era of technology, in the era of say e-commerce and online say transaction, even if you place any order on any website, on any e-commerce site, the physical delivery of parcel is required, and here is our role, which is very significant. And I would like to
But
tell
as
you,
far as our immediate experiences are concerned, as far as the online transaction goes, what we have seen is most of the online transactions are being delivered through the private courier services, not through the postal services.
no, it is not like that. Major share is with us, and I proudly can say that my Imphal head post office, they are getting more than say 2,000 parcel every day.
Okay, more than 2,000 parcels
More
every day
than-
for the online transaction.
Online transaction, we used to call it COD, cash on delivery.
Okay.
So the moment this will
So
be
the-
delivered to you, you will
Are
pay
you,
the
are
money.
you, have you, tied up yourself with few websites?
Yeah, definitely.
Or you are open to everyone?
Say people are coming for their benefit. It is win-win situation. Like these people, all online commerce companies, they also require some kind of delivery system, and we are to serve the nation. So we have also tie up with them, and many times these people, they come to our say offices and they request that we should utilize this network for the benefit of their services also. So we are getting all from Naptol, Flipkart, Amazon.com. All articles are coming to our office, and we are having a very good system.
Okay.
I would like to tell you that my postmen have motorcycles now. In Manipur, this Imphal post office, we have this motorcycles which are being used
It's not
by
the bicycle,
postmen.
it's now motorcycles.
Yeah, motorcycle for speedy delivery. And on the other hand, while many time you receive heavy parcels, so for that purpose we have say one auto, say under which you can take heavy parcels, and very soon we will get some more four-wheelers. I am planning that also. Four-wheelers will be there in Imphal Head Post Office, and heavy parcels will be taken through this four-wheeler.
Okay. 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 Lakadru matam kharada hujikti motorcycle fauba leinaba yaure, bike leinaba yaure kogi postman singsina yam thu thuna poche singsi parcel singsi deliver tawno gi tamakta aduga online transaction online dagi poche leiba matam dasu hujikkan di koi post office ki through da nongboda yama ba koi lising ani gi mathakta koi gi parcel se lakpa hore masi deliver to hore aduga arum parcel pnf gi tamakta Imphal head office asida atuba matam da koi four wheeler mayam su arrange tano honari haidana koi director na takpiri on the no brem taloja ke break matung dakhna da wafa mayam le break te am thonjara ke impact ni swimming tanro lebi. Welcome back. Adon ang video sa manung huna ni a 360-degree analysis of news and events with Miraj Nongtongmam. Manung huna tang si khana jari ba si October ki tarik mapandagi na hayang October ki tarik tara mga pauba chathagadori ba chayola ma chumna chathagadori ba National Postal Week ki matang dani kogi post office leba sigi leri ba post office singa miyam da karam makal gi kodong chaba piri bage koi chidi thadok thajen tawba asi khaktana tana karam ba banking gi amadi insurance की facility पीर बगे तो का बैंक की ओई बकरम करम limitation challenges ले बगे हबी मतंग दनी इंडिया की पोस्ट नेटवर्क असी वर्ल्ड की largest postal service अमनी अदुबु postal service असी द चौरांग ना 1,50,000 हेन ना कोई across the nation post offices ले रहे अदुगा अयाम ब post office अरे 1 lakh more than 1,50,000 से की मनुंग दा more than 90% of the post office are concentrated in the rural areas. Rural area da yamna emphasis peri arabara pa kungangi lamsingda kogi e pause fauna na yam chawba koi daita si post office na lori post office ma yamna si tharagle haina lori basi matang chode lobu yadri koi rural areas da di kogi achawa private companies ma yam basu sang bangam de matang doi doni koi yam chawba game player game changer amoina ngasi phawba post office na mathau tori basi adu matang sai sida ja ai lakchani se koi post office se many a times koi manipur da di aranba maike desina bagi koi pawam tajare for example mamang chahi handak chahi hoki ba chahi kya dasu koi gi N10 gomba SP gomba tablet sai tare drugs mayam ma thajalak bagi koi carton tara phare carton kun phare lupa lakh adu tawada taw mayam phare hai bagi po legre aduga mamang chahi gi February gi tarik kun kuma to ata sida Imphal Turian gi mana koi torban sida Aadhaar card चात्रेट का कुतरे तारग ले रहा है अभी वफम से लेकर समाने याम irregular ओय मोंद थबक तोरंबा नत्रका पोचे समाने थारक पे याबगी कोई ऑप्शन अमा कोई पोस्ट ऑफिस ने वर्क पसे मसरे करी है बिनिंग होजा
कोई के कन से कोई डायरेक्टर विनोद कुमार से याम तीन मतम ओरी हुजी से जुलाई थादा लापनी मा जुलाई था से मा से मणिपुर डायरेक्टर ओने लापनी मागी मतम चिदा नोंगमदा कोई पार्सल ट्रांसैक्शन 2000 तौरे काइसे यामने वेरी गुड न्यूज़ मजे गुड न्यूज़ ने अरुंगपो आई एम थागली कोई ममांग दसु कोई पोस्टल वीक से ममांग दसु सही क्या तौला अपने हाइदो पोस्टल वीक के सही क्या तौला का कानबदी फंगफंगद्री सही राज न हाइदो करम हाइ तौदन मसिदी पोस्टल ऑफिस दगी करम हाइ तौदन गुली फारिनो गंजा फारिनो नत्रगन पोस्टल ऑफिस दा थारक पापचे मतम जाना फंगबंगमदबा थारक पोट मयाम दुगी मुहत चेजे क यौरमदन तौखिबा मिगी फिरोन थारक का मनंग द चे यौरमबा करिगुम्बा दिग मपुदुन फंगजबंगम जदबा मसुगी थौदो वाथोक मयाम हम लेग्रेबा अदे आधार कार्ड याम इम्पोर्टेंट हुजिकती और आधार कार्ड से याम इम्पोर्टेंट ओइरबा पोट अमने हाइबा मणिपुर की मियाम की दमकते आधार कार्ड ऐसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर की हुजिकि नरेंद्र मोदी की मखा से आधार कार्ड याउद्रगदी थबक से पाइखत पे यादब पोट अम लेरबने असिगुम तांजा से आधार कार्ड मयाम जाते कुन हेना आधार कार्ड से इम्फान तुरे तोरबान तक तालेर मिकाइ छे मसी करिगिनो सिनेमने मसिनेबा अवेयरनेस है वाट बा अदि सेक्शन बा वाट बा मजी रेकेट अम लेदोम तौरियो पासाई की एयरफील्ड लेरिबा मैम सिगा पोस्टल की लेरिबा में अनि सिगी मरक सिदा रेकेट मसी पूरा मसी की रेकेट अमा मसी की रेकेट अमा लेदोम तौरिबा रेकेट सिंग दुनि थुगाइ मथौ ताबा रेकेट सिंग दु थुगाइ रकांद फतब मैम से लाकन दम थोकि दोइनेबा अदो हुजिकती पावा होय हुजिक नहाना तौखिबा सिंग दुदगी मदुदि फागत पे हेंगलकुनि न मदुदि खरा तपथरे अदुबु मतम अमद ले गंजा फाबा गुली फाबा दगी हॉस्पिटल की नत्रगन कनोगी फैंसी डाइल फाबा मयाम अम लेखरेबा पोस्ट ऑफिस दगी मसे करिदगी नोबा मसे ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯆꯌꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯂꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯦ ꯕꯦꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡक्स
Okay.
ꯋꯤꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯂꯟꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯄꯥꯂꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯡꯊꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯆꯤꯊꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯦꯁꯥꯏꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯦꯇꯔꯒꯗꯣ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯥꯏꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯦꯇꯔꯒ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯕ
Okay.
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯅꯣꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯋꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ
Okay,
ꯇꯥꯏ
postal wiki program ki manungda
ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ
masi hapchen mathok tai haibani. Sir, you have been here. I mean, it is hardly 3 to 4 months for you here in Imphal.
I joined in the month
So
of July.
it is a little early for you to actually comment on that. But at the same time, we already had in Manipur that post office had very bad experiences. For example, last year also 727 Aadhaar cards were dumped in the river bank of Imphal River, and at the same time a lot of drugs, a lot of ganjas and other tablets were being sent via post office services. And this is also our experience that most of the money orders sent across via post office are normally not received at the right time. They are normally received after a huge gap of time. So what is actually happened with the post office? Is it because of such kind of mismanagement within the organization that nowadays post office people do not have much attachment or much credential towards the post office? What do you want to comment on that? And what actually you can do to curb such kind of things so that it doesn't happen, it doesn't repeatedly happen in the future?
Your question is having three parts.
Yeah.
First is that Aadhaar card issue.
Yeah.
I would like to tell you that we have very good system of monitoring. Say like when any kind of mail is coming to post office, it is being opened and given it to this postman under supervision of an APM, assistant postmaster, and they used to monitor whether this postman goes out and he goes in his beat. And there is one post called PRIP. This is Public Relation Inspector for post offices, and he monitors each and every postman that whether he is going to his beat, his area, and delivering the letters perfectly. And if there is any kind of say irregularities and negligence there, then we have very good system of say disciplinary action. And as far my knowledge is concerned, this postman was put up for this dismissed from the service, and it was a lesson, big lesson for him, because he cannot join even other service, and he was say totally removed from the service. We are going to say include some more monitoring systems, like you said, some drugs were sent through post office system. So I would like to comment here that very soon we are having say CCTV camera in our post office, and as per the Indian Post Office Act, we have a list of prohibited items which should not be sent through postal system. And our postal say counter PA, postal assistant, he should be sure that these items are not being sent first. Then second thing is many a time when this
Do you
kind
actually
of
cross-examine before sending the items?
The person who is sending that parcel, because we have to honor the word from the public, and they generally say certify that no
Objectionable item should not be sent
objectionable
across.
item is not going in this. Still, we have to be doubly sure. Then people, those who are managing the counters, they can judge by their own experience that if something is wrong, then they raise the alarm. And assistant postmaster as well as postmaster, they can take action. Even they, many a time they call police also. And when we will have this very soon, we will have CCTV camera. Then each and every image of that person who is booking parcel on counter, that can be always say seen through the footage, and we can grab that person. And third thing is that like you said, what are the other mechanism we are using? So I would like to tell you, as far as say manual money orders are concerned, which you said ki they were reaching late.
Yeah.
It is discontinued now,
Okay.
and now we are using internet for this sending electronic money order, and they don't take say much more than say 1 minute or
Okay.
3 minutes.
More than 3 minutes.
More than 3 minutes at the maximum.
Okay.
And they can be say taken for delivery at the next end. We
But-
have money transfer to system also, like we have tie up with the
So it-
Western Union money transfer, and it reaches within seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, and this electronic money order is in place, and now there is no delay.
Okay, there is no delay, but here I have a little bit of doubt which I want you to clarify.
Yeah.
You have already mentioned there is list of items which cannot be sent across
Yeah.
in all the post offices. So the person who is actually booking the items, he or she will cross-check the items, what are the items which cannot be sent across.
Sent.
But once he has or she has already seen these items cannot be sent, then why such,
This type
yeah,
of
such
incident
kind of
happened.
items are being sent across to Manipur, and that also in a big amount. Sometimes 10 cartons, 12 cartons, a lot, a huge
they
amount of items are being sent.
Maybe they have trust in other person words, and they have not taken that much care.
Okay.
And
So are you saying they have not physically checked every item?
they may have checked, but they must be, these people are very clever. They must have packed in such a way that they cannot judge what is inside it. Normally it happens because the people are working for many years. They can judge by their weight and say style how it is packed. But many a time they are also human beings.
Isn't there any system so that you can actually physically see the item, then only the item can be packed?
It was say tried many a time, but if you see again and again that system, that it will delay
Okay.
in booking.
It will take a lot of time.
Lot of time, and keeping in view the long queues in post office, it will take the time, and people will get annoyed, and then they will come to you and they will say, okay, we are say delaying each and every item, and they have to stand in queue, isn't it?
Okay. So after having some confidential or after having some confidence from the person who is sending the item, we normally send the item.
Normally send,
That's the
and I'm planning to have say some other kind of system, like everyone will give certificate that I am not sending any prohibited kind of item in this.
Okay, no prohibited item anymore in the future. But as far as letter delivery is concerned and other parcel delivery is concerned, after the advent of this private courier services, nowadays people have this kind of attitude towards the post offices, that post offices now have taken the shape of more or less a memorial cum museum. Do you agree with that or not?
No, I am not agreed with this. Totally disagreed, because say in the era of fast communication, we have changed ourselves. We have introduced our MNOP, say Mail Work Network Optimization project, under which we have divided the whole country into 89 hubs, and we are sending all parcels and speed post articles in a very rapid speed. And in addition to that, if you like, you can track and trace your items. Like if you have booked any article in Imphal head post office, and it is meant for Tamil Nadu, then you can come to know through by putting your barcode number in internet. There is a facility available that whether this article has left the Imphal airport or not, whether it has reached in transit, it is in transit, or it has reached in destination post office, and whether it has been delivered or not delivered, and to whom it has been delivered. All data you can track online.
Okay.
So if you see now, so we are not going
The
to be in.
tracking system has been improved very
tremendously.
much. But the problem is the delivery part, the end part.
Yeah, that's
we
I'm
can
saying.
track the system, but
can
even after we track the system, we couldn't receive the item in time.
It
is always delayed.
This is one part. Say we can track, but generally people don't track, and many times they track also when it get delayed. But I tell you, people in my office, they are there to monitor each and everything. And even if it is delayed for 1 day, then that postman will get say some kind of action from my side.
Okay.
So they are on their toes. And recently, as I said, we have introduced these motorbikes and automation also. So articles, parcels are being delivered in time, and this information is being put in web as well as you can receive information through SMS also.
Okay, there is a lot of innovations happening inside Indian Post. One final question to Oja Sana Oja Aroi Wene Hangjani Oja. Post office ki koi hana matamamada koi India se koi country se India cannot be run without post office haibagi mong dale mini chi thi thana dragadi yaram daba parcel se post office ke through da thada di yaram daba tormane adu hojikti mobile technology lak mobile phone laki batagi email laki batagi adu ga khogi private courier services mayam lak batagi post office ke charm je khitang di handare adu bo saran di takpi innovations mayam ma hodoktana post office revive tawbi natraga handi hena phanabagi step mayam di lakhali takpiri adu ozagi wakhanda kari khanbi bage post office hanagi position du da natraga adu da ki hena phana natraga hojik lari ba atai services private services mayam siga neck to neck semina gi habit taragati kari taw mathau ta khan be
director si am na hawri ba director ni ko magi short time si afaba farak porak ngam gani maram di ma ha su man masana chu hairi din afaba khara de soina porak ne adu ko postman sing gi matam jana thabak tong da sing gi punishment pi rani ka haiba se yam phajaba wafam ni adu punishment pi ba ni haiba se masi gi wafam sin nataba kari gi damak ta koi gi private courier sing de hena thajar ino asai gi raj na haibi gi to post office ki cham se su huji ki lei ba cham chi adu post office ta miyam thajar ba ji lei lei ti port aru ba ma thaba matam da private courier sat i huji ki private courier sat i se matam ma da post office sat lam bangak ta ne post office ta pamne rakti se kari gi no haibi se post office na khan ma thong ta huji private courier sing de thana ri miyam che ma de post office thaga da ba port ngak ta ne ba post office na matam chan na deliver to bi da ba matam chan na ma port to yohon bi da ba matam chan na miyam miyam ga post office ka relation je fatta badagi ne bang post office na makha tar ise post office haina mi matam mam da post office da loina mak chalam mi ga ne ba kwabe courier ka ise manipur kui matam sang na kuirak tri hai ya ba private courier aru bunga si private courier da miyam puna mana thaja ba thamle private courier da chana rel loina mak aru ba tha ga dong matam da private courier da chali se masi gi posting ase masi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯊꯥꯖꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯁ ꯄꯣꯁꯇ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯁ ꯄꯣꯁꯇ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 4-5ꯗ ꯌꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 10ꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯕ 15ꯅꯤ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯊꯥ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯥꯏꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯁꯥꯏꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯦꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯋꯥꯀꯠ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯃꯦꯅꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ
ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯋꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯐꯅꯅꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯋꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯌꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ
Okay, postal week ni harga chay long pangthoga lo singil kanaro hayeng se last day ni postal week ki adubu hariba postal week sida post office ka miyam ga leneri ba mari si no muno gi lapthok nari ba si kari no masin action gi haiba targa de kari to mathok tabage ngasi post office ta miyam na thaja ba thambagi mohta private courier services de hena thaja ba thamli ba si kari no haiba si post office na address toraga maduda thabak hena paikhat ba targa di lakadri ba chahi kharada matam kharada miyamna post office ta amuka hana thajab lerkani haibani on that note ngasi onadi manu hungi thorom se matang swatla chinjarage ngasi ki thorom si the wajai ba choba amadi wajabin olympic gidamakta I would like to thank both of you. Appreciate your joining.
Thank you sir.
Masini ngasi ki manu hungi thorom ngasi ki edition asi karam to bibage khode kan bir payagani ko email id di impacttvnews@gmail.com natraga ko gi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impacttvmanipur da join to birga comment amadi feedback thabir payagani. With that, this is Raj Nontamam signing out. See you same time, next time, at prime time. Have a good night.